It's an artist response to Brexit. Salisbury Cathedral have been the wonderful hosts for the art to be realised. The ladder is a really strong symbol for mobility and moving from one state to another, and so I wanted it to talk about social mobility. I wanted people to come into the cathedral and look upwards. Gothic architecture makes you want to look upwards as well and to have that hope. On a spiritual level, you have Jacob's ladder, so there's many different levels for the artwork to be read.
So these are 12 steps towards a more sane world within the madness that we are in the centre of right at this moment in time. I think now, more than ever, we need to learn how to hug each other. We need to change the sirens. We need to rename the seasons. Autumn as bruised blossom. Summer could be ripe song. Autumn could be mist-filled radiator. Winter could be coal fire. You know, we need a reason to be cheerful right now.
As curator, I think the most difficult part of the project for me was to take two separate ideas from two different artists and bring them together so they look like one exhibition. If you walk around the cathedral, you can see Lemn's text on walls and the floors. It's a bit of a trail that you can lead and read as you wander around the cathedral. I think when visitors have a look at the light installation, I think they'll be delighted by it because it's one of those installations that's slightly mysterious and you want to ask questions. And then when our visitors come across the poem and the words, the cathedral is a place for contemplation, and it's a place where you can quietly reflect on ideas and thoughts. And I definitely think that Lemn's poem gives us cause to reflect and to contemplate.